Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Hi guys, here is a new project of mine. This is my creation. This is a fashion earrings made from the bottle caps of Pantene shampoo. Look at this. This one is a very simple, just round. This one is the top cover of the Pantene shampoo. Look at this, the bottle caps from the Pantene shampoo. I just cut out. And look at here, and just open a hole here, fix a ring and a hook. Look at this, look, this is the ring with a hook. Look at here, and I just paint it with the nail polish with glitters in order to look elegant. This is just a very simple project. Look at this, so the glitters stand out to add beauty for this project. It is just a simple fashion earring. It's a circle, and this is made from the bottle caps from the Pantene shampoo. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your plastic cups, bottle caps from the Pantene shampoo. Any bottle caps from shampoo, shower gel, you can create this as a fashion earrings, and just put a hole, punch it here, but here, just punch it here and fix a ring and a hook, and this will turn to a fashion earrings. This organizer or a hanger for my project, this one is my trophy where I joined a beauty pageant in the past. I'm winning the best in swimsuit, and look at this, and this is my trophy, best in swimsuit, when I was an OFW working in Cyprus 5 years ago. So I hope guys you like this video. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials so that you will learn how to recycle plastic waste and transform into unique and beautiful fashion earrings. Let's recycle our waste, especially the plastic bottles, in order to minimize our garbage and help keep our environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution, because this is the global problem about the plastic waste. So let us cooperate, minimize our garbage. So before you will throw your garbage, just try to recycle. If you can recycle, then you can create an instant fashion earrings like this. So thank you for watching, and see you again in my next tutorial. Please click my playlist, how to create jewelry made from plastic bottles, and you can find my video tutorials and you can follow step by step. So daghang salamat, maraming salamat. Dankeschön, Everesto Puli, merci, grazie, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Take care and be safe. No, 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 no to coronavirus. Please stay at home and be safe always. And always use sanitizer, mask, to protect you from the spreading virus this time. And also let us pray so that this virus will be gone and stop forever. Okay, thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you'll continue to watch my videos. Bye bye, see you then, ciao.